guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to make a super easy crab rangoons. This is basically cream cheese stuffed fried wontons. And so what you're going to need is garlic powder, green onions, cream cheese, you want the full fat, and wonton wraps. And then for our dipping sauce, I just picked up this sweet and sour sauce.
Add about this sweet and sour sauce. This I don't think is it's meant to be simmered. It's very acidic, so I don't recommend it for this.
To start, we are going to make our cream cheese mixture. This part, then you're going to cut it down the middle, twist it, cut it again, twist it, cut it again, and finally chop. Okay, I'm just going to make a few, so we'll do a small batch of cream cheese, a little bit of our onion, garlic powder, about that. Mix that together. Lay out our wontons. Let's see, probably make about 4 wontons. Okay, now we have our wontons laid out. Take a wonton, about this much cream cheese. Then you can wet your finger and put it along sides. To shape it, you just bring all the corners in. And then you can pinch these sides since they should be wet. And there you have it. A little dumpling. And then we're gonna fry this.
Bring all the corners in.
High heat. They are. I just put them on a paper towel, and we can sprinkle them with a little more onion. There you go. Rangoon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.